Hello and welcome to another update video about SUI. Yeah, on the SUI chart we are tracking here this possible pullback as a B wave. Well, it's not a possible pullback, it is a pullback, but as a possible B wave. It could also be a wave 2, right? If this is another 1-2 setup instead of an A-B, but does it matter? Not really. Okay, so it's currently, in my interpretation, a 3-wave pullback, and we are holding a higher low. So we are still tracking an active uptrend here. When do we have to consider that a more substantial top is in place? Certainly if we see a break below $1.74, followed by a break below that last swing low here from the 3rd of October at around 161. So if these two lows are taken out, then I have to assume we are in the larger degree wave 4 already, but I would prefer if we don't, or that we don't start this wave 4 until we've actually reached 247. Because I mean, okay, you know, this was sort of the ideal target, right, for the third wave. Based on the microstructure, we could even move a little higher, but really, first and foremost, I'd like to get that price in a third wave to 247. That's just because it's, you know, based on guidelines. But again, we came very, very close. Like, we talk about a 10-cent difference. I mean, 10 cents, you know, I mean, you know, what are we talking about here? I mean, it can do that in an hour, right? So maybe it's not meaningful for SUI. So maybe it's not going to get there. However, I'm watching for it as long as we're holding support. And support is located between $1.84, $2.06. It's the Fibonacci retracement area there between the 38.2 retracement and the 78.6 from the previous rally, which looks like a 5-wave move. And because it's a 5-wave move up, it could either start something or end something. Now in the yellow count, of course, you know, top could be in. If a wave 4 bottomed indeed in the yellow count, instead of on the 3rd of October, on the 10th of October, then this 5-wave move up, well, it could have completed everything, but it didn't quite reach the target, which is why I'm considering further upside extensions. So that's my logic behind it. But as I said, below 184, a larger pullback becomes more probable, especially then if we break below that key level here at 174. Now, if that happens, and if we start circle wave 4 already a little sooner than expected, what would be the support area? Well, it would be here between $1.32 and $1.52. That's our support zone for a larger degree wave 4. Any break below 132 would indicate that we are likely, that a much more substantial top has formed, again, earlier than expected. But first of all, idea is that we go up higher from here. Okay, if that fails, plan B would be from here. If those two fail, then I haven't got any clear bullish setup left on the SUI chart, but we're not there yet, and that's at the moment only the alternative. So for now, I'm closely watching, especially today, if the market can create a reaction here that's somewhat meaningful to the support area. At the moment, it's not very meaningful. As you can see, it's a very weak uptrend locally, but any break above that last swing high there from yesterday at 227 would be an indication that a low has formed, maybe already above this swing high. But again, you know, we're dealing with a very small time frame here for an altcoin at around $2.22, $2.23. So that's the update about SUI. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye bye.